Okay, so we'll start over here on the pocket. As you can see, they just slide right into place. Again, this is just an open space where it's not utilized at all. So it's so cool that this thing just slides in. It has the little rubber mat inside, so if you do get anything leaked in there, you can pull that out, clean it, put it right back in. Just slides right into place, and that's it. Super cool. Like I said, I love all the extra storage, just because of the storage issue that we have in these Cybertrucks. So there's that one there. I'll slide over into the middle piece here. This is the one that I told you can really go anywhere. This is the one that I had before that needed to push up against the back of the screen. And when I put this swivel mount on, it didn't work anymore. I couldn't use it. So this gives plenty of room for that. Whether you have the standard screen or this swivel mount screen, this piece will work. So super, super cool. Again, it just slides right into place. It just kind of locks itself underneath the lip there. And I could slide it wherever I wanted. I could have it over here if I wanted. I could put it in, wherever I wanted. So cool place for my sunglasses, really whatever you want to have up there will work. And then to the center console, I'll show you what I was talking about here. So this is the new one that's in there. So this is the new piece by Tesery, right? This is a real hard plastic. I mean, you can just put a ton of weight on this deal and it's not gonna go anywhere. Versus this other one that comes from the factory, it's kind of a hard plastic, but see, it bends. So the problem that I had was when it was in here, you put any type of weight and it just pushes right through. So this one, with it being hard, it's just not going to be able to push through. Once you get it on those lips, it's not going anywhere. It has some extra compartments as well as these little plastic pieces that just pull right out. So, as these are sitting here, if you do leak anything, if anything spills, you can pull those right out and clean it. So again, super happy about that. It just replaces the factory one that it comes with. But again, it's that hard plastic versus being so soft. And I'll show you the last piece is, again, another one of these pockets for the back. And again, slid right in. You can see my wife already found a place to put her hair tie. But this is an unutilized space typically. It's just going to be an empty hole there where these easily slide right into place. And now you got a place to store things. So pretty cool. Happy with it. Again, thank you, Tesery, for sending me these items. I will be adding a link down below. You can go for some special discounts using my code. And also I'll provide the website address so that you can click that. Hopefully this was helpful for you and you enjoyed the accessories I showed. Please subscribe and to see the next videos that I'm going to have coming. I have a bunch of other accessories. I'm going to be doing some new wheel covers, a bunch of different stuff in store. So please subscribe to the channel and keep watching. Appreciate it.